So my futures account broke $100,000 today, and actually it's up 105,000. And this started from a $5,000 deposit in May of this year. It's up massively. I'm going to explain how and actually walk you through every single trade in this video. Most trading gurus won't do this. In the past, I've mostly just been showing you back tests because it's a new system. We created it about 1 year ago, and back tests are how you know something is likely to work in the future. Well, how has it worked in the future? Pretty amazingly. So let's check it out. So first of all, you can see there's $40,000 in open profit right now. And these are the positions we're in. I'm in 3 silvers, I'm in 4 golds, I'm in 3 S&P 500s, 4 NASDAQs, and 7 Nikkeis. Nikkei is the Japanese stock market. Here's my open P&L. Okay, now something I want to show you. This is the transfer history. Here you can see in February 2021 of this year, I withdrew the entire balance. Okay, so that means the balance was 0 when I made my first deposit May 1st on 2025, which is a $5,000 deposit. So from a $5,000 initial deposit, the account's at over $105,000. However, you can see I consistently kept adding to it, although I didn't add it to it in September. And the total amount that I've added has been $39,900. So I've funded about $40,000 since May to get to $105,000. That means I'm up about $65,000, over 150%. Now, to be totally transparent, how have I been able to every month add 2,000, add 5,000, add 4,000, just keep adding money to the account? It's by selling the trading system. I'm not here to pretend I don't make money from selling the trading system. I make money from trading, but I also make money from selling the trading system. If I wasn't selling the trading system and I couldn't have added more than this initial $5,000, the account wouldn't be up that much. It would be doing okay. I'd have a couple positions, but I wouldn't have all these positions. Adding to the account is really important. So to really take advantage of trading, you want either a really big nut to start with, or you can add more so you can invest more over time. But however you crack it, 39,900 into 105,000 in May, June, July, August, not even 6 months, less than 5 months actually, is it's a really insane annualized return. Now, here we have another broker statement. On this page where it shows the $40,000 in open P&L, it doesn't show the closed P&L. So here we can see from May 1st, 2025, we have a gross P&L of $29,500, total P&L of $32,000, and total loss of $2,900. This is my favorite part, is the trade fees and commissions are $72. Let me speak this part out loud. I'm up $65,000 on $72 in fees. That's insane. Some of the crypto trading that I've done, especially crypto perpetual futures, the fees are ridiculous. I'm up, and some of them, there's a trade like the Tron trade. I paid $2,000 in fees in less than a month on that trade. Compared to $72, futures are goated. It's really like such an insane asset. And yes, I'm going to have to pay taxes on this portion, and I'll probably pay taxes on quite a bit more. But it's in the US, it's 60% long-term capital gains, so it's taxed a little bit more leniently. We compare it to real estate. I know with real estate, well, first of all, with real estate, typically the typical down payment is 20%. I know you can do 10, but you're typically getting 5x leverage. The typical leverage on a futures instrument is 10x. So I'm getting 10x down. I'm putting 10 down. It's basically 11x. I'm putting 10 down. I'm getting 10x back. And while I will be paying taxes on wins, there's no closing cost. I'm not paying fees on a closing cost. There's no interest payment that I'm paying. Really, futures are an insane instrument. So this is just to prove that this is all happening. And here I'll show you all of the trades. So here we can look at the positions, 3 silver. So I changed the system slightly, which is why silver here it shows 4, but I only have 3 because I think this was different. Instead of maximum length 365 was 180. So that's a change we made. But I have three silvers, okay? It's just 5 minutes a week, really. I bought one on June 4th, and then I bought one on July 15th, and then I bought one on September 2nd, and I'm just cruising. Gold, unfortunately, since I started on May 1st, I didn't buy back in January, or I'd be up an insane amount, but I do have, how many do I have? Four? I have four gold. So one, two, three. I do have one, but it's not from all the way down here. So four gold. And then S&P 500, we have three of those. Bought here, bought here, bought here. And then US 100, I have four of those. Bought one, two, three, four of those. You can see four. And then I have seven of the Japanese stock market, which has been the big winner for me this year, surprisingly. Probably just because of the size, but that's cruising too. And also, I made a lot of money on a different account trading Bitcoin, but I'm out of Bitcoin, have been. That's a different story, and I don't trade Bitcoin on the futures account anyways. But yeah, it's we're opening spots this weekend. We don't sell it all the time. We have spots only one weekend of the month, and it's at a discounted price. This time, I'm just not going to say the price because it always changes, but there's going to be a link in description you can check out if you want to join us. And if not, yeah, I mean, I hope that you learned something from this video. It's really simple. I mean, it really took 5 minutes a week. Look how little I did. I didn't close any trades. I just maybe once a week logged in to take a buy. It's really not very much to do. Pretty amazing. So, yeah, I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you on the other side, those of you who want to join us.